Previously, about 10 months ago on Kung Fu Maintenance.
Got a AC here not cooling. Not sure what's going on yet. Doesn't sound like the compressor.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. We'll continue on the air conditioning maintenance up here. I want to disconnect. Trying to get these done on a little bit cooler days. Nice, beautiful day. Look here. This one I remember did a video on a little while back. A discharge capacitor. Capacitor holds a charge in it even after the power is disconnected, so there's the leads. And all we need to do is disconnect the start wires. So here's the fan start wire, and then here's the hard start wire. Hard start kit. One lead, and we can leave common connected for a faster test. This one I did last year, maybe 9 months ago, 8 months ago, maybe even a year ago, maybe a little more than a year ago. It's a subco capacitor. We're going to test our microfarads. Go common to fan. 4.85, so it's good. And common to Herm. Yeah, it should be a 40, and we've only got 33.75, so it's bad already. Subco. Okay, and now we can test our capacitor. Our hard start kit should be right around 50. A little stubborn. There we go. And that's showing nothing yet. 45.8, so that's good. Okay. So we're going to change out this capacitor. Already, Subco, it's like, you know, barely a year old, so it's just junk. So 38 would have been fine on a 40. Here's our new one. Gonna need to move the screw here. One spot over. That is what it is. Bracket bed. Start kit for a second here. While we modify this. There we go. Okay, common's in the center, Herm's on the right. make this nice and easy for myself in the future to take apart. Hands on the left. And then we'll have our hard start kit. Yep, only I'll have to look it up and how old this thing was, but I think it was not very old. Alright, hang our hard start kit right there. Alright, and we can test it out. Plug it in. And here goes the test. Nice and quiet, nice and good. It's up there. It'll be a better year. It wasn't super weak, but it was weak enough. It was out of the tolerance. So, time to change it. Ran into no cool calls. This one's done. Now it's not going to fail on it. Gotta reset the copper panel here. Alright. It's a done deal.
A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.